Their Majesties invited to their court the assembled baronages of the Midrealm. My bad.
That's okay. No. We like you too much. Not off the grid.
Their Majesties invited to their presence their Excellencies Flay and Gryphon, Timothy and Elizabeth. And now, the assembled baronages of the Midrealm.
Barony of the Flame, Casimir and Austria. Barony of Sternfeld, Tonus and Anne. Barony of Red Spears, Aislinn and Leofric. Barony of Phoenix, Angus and Melisande. Barony of Roaring Waste, Louis. Barony of Rendoten, Donalbain. Barony of Donnershafen, Dell and Isabel. Barony of Shadowed Storms, Ronan.
So, Your Excellency, we'd like to invite you to our court. Okay? Apologies for my tardiness. That is certainly okay, Your Excellency. Please.
His Excellency Cleflins, Pietro.
Thank you everyone for attending. Please take your seats.